Wise men gift Boswellia Sacra Royal Green Hojari Frankincense from Oman. Food and medical grade edible, can be used for ingestion, drinking, medical, skin and incense. This type of frankincense called Hujari or Hojary because it comes directly from area located in the Sultanate of Oman called Hogar. How to make frankincense resin water. Put 3 tablespoons frankincense resin at the bottom of the glass jar or bottle. Add 1 liter purified water and fill the glass jar to the top. Keep away from sunlight and let the water sit overnight. Next day, sip the water throughout the day. Do not drink the entire jar at once. Drink a few ounces per day and boost your immune system slowly. When finished, you may add more water to the existing resin, and again, let it rest overnight. This may be repeated up to 2 times before replacing the frankincense resin. Top 10 benefits of frankincense resin: helps relieve sore throats, help in gum disease, helps with inflammation, boosts the immune system, helps in stress relief, improves joint health, helps prevent cancer, may help cancer healing, helps get rid of body toxins, prevents digestive problems, promotes skin and tissue regeneration. Cosmetic, antimicrobial, astringent, stimulant, tonic, anti-inflammatory, circulatory, cicatrizing. Odorous, antimicrobial, expectorant, stimulant, carminative, stomachic, immune booster, tonic, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, emmenagogue, sedative, pulmonary tonic. Medicinal, antimicrobial, astringent, antifungal, stimulant, carminative, stomachic, anticatarrhal, antiseptic, immune boosting, tonic, anti-inflammatory, emmenagogue, diaphoretic, vulnerary, circulatory, balsamic, cicatrizant, fungicidal, digestive, pulmonary tonic. Important: these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. These products are not meant to diagnose, treat or cure any disease or medical condition. Please consult your doctor before using these during pregnancy or if you have a serious medical condition. For more info for health benefits and how to be used, please visit our website at www.wm-gift.com.